Earth Day is Friday, and today President Biden made a move to combat climate change. It will give agencies more power to study the impact of big projects on the environment, including those here in Florida.
WPTV News Channel 5's Matt Sesney tonight has a reaction from those praising the move and those who say it may fan inflation.
Out along the Intracoastal in Lake Worth Beach, some never stopped thinking about climate change.
The biggest concern is absolutely sea level rise, but I think also the storms and the increased risk from storms.
Drew Martin is with the Sierra Club's Loxahatchee group, watching the environment from Palm Beach to the Treasure Coast.
The more that we do that now, the less people will suffer in the future.
He also says he's glad about President Biden restoring some rules that require the feds to look at how major infrastructure projects will affect climate change before green lighting them.
Absolutely. The better regulated the industry is, the better they do for the environment. And it's good for industry, too, because they know the ground rules and they do the right things.
The move reverses an order from former President Trump that had been designed to cut all the so-called red tape for big projects.
Anything that President Trump did, I think he feels it's his job to undo.
Peter Feynman of the National Republican Committee holds the view of many on the right, looking at too much regulation as bad for the bottom line.
Slower construction, and again, it's going to ratchet up the cost of those projects, which again only makes inflation worse. It makes the cost of all that kind of construction go up.
The White House, though, disagrees, saying the reforms will give communities more information about projects and their impacts.
I think this would be underwater in 50 years.
Including people like Drew Martin. In Lake Worth Beach, Matt Sesney, WPTV News Channel 5.